So how'd you feel about the home? Can you picture yourself being here? Can you picture the family sitting around the fireplace while mom's in the kitchen whipping up some mom or dad, whipping up something tasty to eat? Kids are going back and forth upstairs. You got the formal dining area over here to my left. I mean, it's just the house is great space. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Yes, there are some updates that are needed, and one thing I would love to see is when you buy this house, what it would look like in a year when you come in here and you put your personal touches on it. Because the location itself is fabulous. You got Colleyville ISD. There's an open house this Saturday from 1 to 3. Come on and check Nikki out. She'll be here. If you have any comments, drop them below. I try to answer them all as quickly as possible. And I look forward to seeing you Saturday at 1 to 3 here in Colleyville, Texas. Let me give you the address. The address is 2200 Melanie Drive, Colleyville, 76034. We'll see you this Saturday.